Number block subtraction worksheet level 1 winter work. Today's video we are going to solve subtraction. Let's start. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is equal 3. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is equal 6. Next 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal 2. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. It's very easy. Everyone can solve this. Our next math, 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is equal 4. 7 minus 3 is equal 4. This is 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is equal 6. Next math, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equal 3. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is equal 4. 9 minus 5 is equal 4. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is also 4. 8 minus 4 is also 4. 8 minus 2 is equal 6. 8 minus 2 is equal 6. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is equal 4. 13 minus 9 is equal 4. Our next math, 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 is equal 5. 14 minus 9 is equal 5. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to, okay, let's repeat. 6 minus 3 is equal 3. 9 minus 3 is equal 6. 4 minus 2 is equal to 8 minus 7 is equal 1. 7 minus 3 is equal 4. 13 minus 7 is equal 6. 5 minus 2 is equal 3. 9 minus 5 is equal 4. 8 minus 4 is equal 4. 8 minus 2 is equal 6. 13 minus 9 is equal 4. 14 minus 9 is equal 5. Last, 3 minus 1 is equal to. If you new here, subscribe to our channel.